Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with Stampacrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Welcome to another live tutorial today. Before we get started, give you a quick update on the craft room and what was accomplished this weekend. So, as you can see, my back unit, I had ordered paper storage from Stampin' Storage, so that came in the other day, and so far I'm happy with it. I am liking it. I did have my husband put the cabinet doors, on the upper set of cabinets, so it looks much cleaner now. And I did get lighting, which is behind the camera. I'm not sure how I'm going to live with it for a little while and see if I like it. It's just bright and hurts my eyes, so I'm gonna check it out. And that's pretty much it. So going well, it's pretty much done. I have 2 shelves I'm gonna have my husband build me for some knickknacks that's in this corner back behind the camera. And then we just have painting and some wallpaper and, you know, all that good stuff, new blinds, but that's not gonna happen until he's finished his other projects. So, and that's okay. I said, you know, don't worry about painting, and it may be next spring, who knows? The main goal was to get everything, you know, organized. So I feel like I'm there. Now it's just, you know, getting rid of all the stuff that I purged. So I'll be working on that the next couple of weeks too. All right, I see Kat's on. Hi, Kathleen. Let me get you flipped upside down here, and we will get started with our project for today. Okay, just ignore my hand if it gets in there. All right. Let's see, we get our camera set up. Okay. All right, so today, or actually for the next few videos, I wanted to kind of feature these adorable Tea Boutique cards and envelopes. They come 20 in a pack, and they're only $10, so it's like 50 cents each for a card and envelope. You don't have to cut anything. As far as your card base, they're already pre-scored, and then they come with cute, adorable envelopes to match. So these are all in the new in colors. So we have Parakeet Party, Sweet Sorbet in this light kind of flower polka dot pattern. Then we have Tahitian Tide in polka dots. I love polka dots. We have Orchid Oasis, which is just kind of a, it's got like a little cross or plus sign, but then it has kind of this weathered look. And then this fun little kind of lattice work for the Starry Sky card and envelope. All right, so we're going to use, these coordinate with the Tea Boutique suite, but we're not going to use that. You do not have to use them with the suite that it coordinates with, because it will go with anything. So we're going to use the Breaking News stamp set. This is on page 21 of the annual catalog. It's $22. Super cute. It could be for wedding, for anniversary, birthday, graduation. We're going to make a 4th of July card with this because that's coming up, and I did not do a 4th of July card for classes this month because I know it's not the biggest card giving occasion, but I love 4th of July. So we're using the Starry Sky, which is kind of a dark blue with a little hint of purple in there. I don't know, I think it's really pretty. So, and this is all we're gonna use. These are all the supplies. So I have a piece of, now I use Poppy Parade, but you could use Sweet Sorbet, Real Red, whatever red color you like. And then just a scrap piece of basic white. So we're gonna take, I'm gonna scooch that out of the way. We're just gonna stamp on our white for now. I've got this big newspaper image. So we're gonna ink this up with, what is this? Memento ink. It's kind of big, so I'm just gonna do this. Make sure I get it inked up well. I think that looks okay. We're just gonna stamp this right on here. Hopefully that looks pretty good. All right, next we're gonna do the breaking news up at the top. So it's like a fun little newspaper. And they're photopolymer, so we can see through. It's easy for placement. Then they have this fun little cake. And I'm gonna show you another card I did with this. I did a little wedding or anniversary card, but I'm gonna use the cake for this one because we're doing 4th of July, and it looks like it has sparklers coming out. And then I want to stamp a sentiment. Now, it doesn't have a 4th of July, but it does have this one that says, "You're both worth celebrating forever," but I'm just gonna use the "worth celebrating forever," and I'm gonna cover, what am I trying to say, cover up that one. Now you could use a marker, or normally I cut them apart, but I'm not gonna cut it apart this time because I am just making one of these 4th of July cards. And I'm just gonna do "We're celebrating forever." Hopefully this will come out okay. Yay! And then on the inside of the card, I'm gonna get this back, and there's this other sentiment that says, "Confetti, cake, balloons, let's party." And I'm gonna cover up everything except "let's party." Because if you could be having a 4th of July barbecue, it's super hot here where, you know, most of you, it's super hot where you are. So, you know, I don't know that we'll be having a 4th of July cookout. We might cook out and then eat inside or wait till it's dark. But then, of course, you have to deal with mosquitoes. I'm just gonna do a blue cake down there at the bottom just for fun. Okay, so we're done stamping. Next we're gonna do a little bit of coloring. So I'm gonna bring in my blends. I just have, what color is this? Dark Poppy Parade. And I'm going to color my cake to be a 4th of July cake. So we're just gonna do some red and blue stripes. Okay, that's my poppy stripes. And then I have Dark Starry Sky, but I think I might, where's my Light Starry Sky? That's the question. Oh, here it is. Light Starry Sky. Only because we can see it a little bit better if it's not super dark. Oh, it already looks like 4th of July. Okay, and then I'm going to make it a yellow cake. So I have light So Saffron. Just going to color my cake, and then I'm going to color my sparklers too. They don't have to be perfect because all that light's coming out. And then we're going to give it just a little wink of Stella on our sparklers. You could also add little rhinestones or the champagne rhinestones to your sparklers too if you want a little extra sparkle. All right, now we have to cut this out. We do not have a die, but they're pretty straight lines and they're thick. So I'm gonna actually cut it out on the line. I'm not leaving any white, only because this is such a nice thick line that it's not hard to cut out. This is the only hard part right here. It's not very hard. And then I say that, and then I'm going to cut all my black line off, and I won't have any black. If it was as easy as this, I would cut all day long. Okay. That's it for cutting. So I have this piece of Poppy Parade, but I'm going to take, I want to add a little embellishment. So I'm going to take some of the Starry Sky Baker's Twine. Let's wrap it around a couple times. We're going to tie it in a bow. way over on the edge. Cute. I love baker's twine. All things baker's twine. All right, let's trim that off right there. Okay. Gonna scooch it up just a hair, a little closer to the middle, or maybe a little above middle. And we're going to adhere this down to our card front. I'm just gonna put a little angle just for fun, and then we'll use some dimensionals to pop this up. You see how the blends kind of go through the cardstock, which is why I am not going to color that, because I don't want it coming through. But I stamped it in a color, so I wouldn't have to color it. Now you could use regular markers too and color it, and it won't show through. So we're just going to pop this up right here. Make sure our bow's showing. And that's it. Isn't that cute? Just a sweet, fast little 4th of July card if you want to send one out. Already comes with a matching envelope, so you don't have to do any decorating. Even though it's a little floral, it's okay because it still has our same plaid on there, or lattice color. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that. Let me show you the other one. I made this one, same thing, except I used the Tahitian Tide card, and I did a cute little, it could be for wedding or anniversary. I always need anniversary cards. I didn't do the inside just in case I wanted to use it for wedding or for a shower or whatever. It would be a cute couple shower. So, or a couple shower card. So super quick and easy to do. Lots of options with the breaking news. And it could even be for Mother's Day, you know, just put a different image there in here. Mother's Day, Father's Day, any type of occasion would be super cute. All right, well, the supplies and measurements will be listed on my blog with the link below. Please click subscribe below if you'd like to watch future videos. And I will also place a link below for ordering if you want to order any of these. These cards are on page 137 of the catalog. Only $10. You get 20 cards and envelopes. That is a great deal. All right, thanks everybody for stopping by, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.